Okay, we're here. We're starting the roof. All right, last week, late in the day, we dropped off all my roofing. Hopefully it's all there. So we got the gable ends. We have hopefully everything, okay? I got the screws. Now, they wrapped them pretty good. From here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and open this up. And we're going to start installing it. Hopefully it goes easy. Nothing goes easy, but we'll see what happens. And there's Vinny's back. Vinny's back for this edition. Welcome back, Vinny. All right, he's going to give me a hand. Let's get to work.
Don't you have 3 pieces for each side?
Yeah.
So you don't have to... Huh? Would you look at that, guys? I got a drippage. Here. Oh.
All right, these are the last 4. Last 4 panels that we got to do. Okay, Vinny's over here prepping the bottom strips. These strips prevent insects to go up inside the metal sheathing. We're going to cut. We've been cutting. We ordered it at 15.5 feet, or 15 feet. Ordered at 15 feet. The roof is 14.5 feet long on both sides, and we weren't sure how much overhang, all that. We weren't sure, and we needed to order it, so we just went ahead. We placed the order, and our sheets are too long. We don't want it. You don't want it overhang by more than 1.5 inches, 2 inches, because then it could bend. So we have to cut them. So I bought these the wall, the nibblers that you could get. Go on the impact drive, and it cuts. Things work great. They'll cut a straight line, but they will not cut over these ribs. They'll cut the piece here. As soon as you have to go over the big ribs, it's dead. It doesn't work. It turns into a nightmare. It's not a straight cut. Then we tried just the normal cuts. I got the smaller ones. They work. They take forever, and still it's really hard to do. So then I happened to bring this up with me. I said, hey, let me try this. And this thing cuts through like butter. It's great. Put a little metal wheel on there, goes right through. But as everything, we were cutting one at a time. Then we pulled this thing out and say, oh, let's do 4 at a time. So it's not cutting like butter anymore, and I can't keep on the straight line, but making short work out of something we were struggling with. So I recommend this is how you should cut it. Come and look. No, that's gonna be off quick. Now come and look. It's pretty clean cut in a fraction of the time. It would took us the same amount of time to maybe do 1 panel with the snips. We just did 4. So keep it moving. You guys drill yet?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, this is ready to go. See how much this ate up. Oh no, it's still on 2 Viking stuff. So these are good batteries.
What am I going to use for the drill?
You can use this. Well, that's it, folks. Thanks for watching another episode of Liberty Creek. That episode was putting on the roof. It was a process that took 2 days. I still have to put the gable end trim on. We'll get to that in the spring because it is really cold up there. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have any questions, put them down in the comments. I'll try to answer them all when I get some time. The channel's growing a little bit. Try to make it grow some more. But thanks again for watching. Take care and see you on the next one.